about coronavirus. COVID-19.
Okay, let's
COVID-19. Hey, let's play in the play area. No, it's coronavirus lockdown everywhere. It's not safe to visit public places. That's what world is talking about. It is a new virus, and an infected person can spread the infection to a healthy person while coughing, sneezing, and throwing the droplets on others or the objects or surfaces. They become carrier of infection without even knowing their symptoms. The symptoms are fever, cough, lastly, breathing difficulties. And these symptoms may appear after 2 to 14 days of exposure. That's a lot.
Oh no!
That sounds strange. Don't worry and don't stress. Be happy. I have a solution. Wear a mask if you are coughing or sneezing. Remember, avoid touching your eyes, mouth, and nose. Do not touch. Keep a distance at least 1 meter.
No, not like that.
Keep a distance at least 1 meter. Hand sanitizer if water not available. Cover your cough and sneeze. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, front and back, between fingers and nails. At least 20 seconds. You could also sing the ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And please don't waste water.
Don't waste water at all.
Eat healthy. Go to sleep. Good night.
Good night. Okay, let's
Exercise. Oh, I'm exercising. Stay home. Stay safe. Be positive. And lastly, pray for good.
One moment. Now we can do something. Watch. Okay.
Alright guys, I will show you how viruses get stuck in our hands, fingers, and nails. This is water and black pepper. Put your finger in this and look at my finger. All viruses get stuck in my finger. Then we touch our eyes, mouth. All viruses come to our body and we get sick. Other thing, same thing I have when I put soap on my finger. Look guys, what happened? Wow, see, all viruses go away from soap. Magic soap. Please wash your hands with the soap at least 20 seconds. Thank you. Hope you like this video.
Please subscribe to our channel and give our video a big thumbs up. Thanks for being awesome. Bye.